Hey there! Do you want to make some extra cash for Christmas and set yourself up for a wildly successful 2025? If so, you're in the right place. We're talking about more than just a little extra spending money. This is about building a foundation for a future where you're in control, calling the shots, and living life on your own terms. But before we dive in, do me a quick favor, hit that like button down below, smash that subscribe button, and ring the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of the game-changing tips coming your way. Welcome back. I'm Henry from Limitless Passive Income, and today I'm going to share with you exactly how you can not only boost your income before the holidays, but also build a solid foundation for a lucrative 2025. So let's get started. Imagine this. It's Christmas morning, and you're not stressed about credit card bills. You're relaxed, joyful, because you were able to spoil your loved ones without breaking the bank. That dream vacation, it's now a reality you can afford. This freedom and abundance isn't just for one Christmas. It's about making 2025 your most successful year yet. By starting today, you're investing in your future. Most wait until the new year, but you're different. You're taking action now, committed to change. Listen up, because this is important. The world is changing faster than ever before. What worked yesterday might not work tomorrow. But there's one thing that's only getting bigger and more powerful, and that's the combination of digital marketing and AI. Now, you've probably heard of digital marketing, right? It's everywhere. Social media, online ads, email marketing. It's how businesses reach their customers in today's digital age. But here's the thing, when you add AI to the mix, you're not just playing the game, you're changing it. AI takes digital marketing to a whole new level. It's like having a team of experts working for you 24/7, analyzing data, optimizing campaigns, and targeting your ideal customers with laser precision. Imagine automating those tedious tasks, freeing up your time and energy to focus on what really matters, growing your business. This isn't some futuristic fantasy, my friend. This is happening right now. What? This is all businesses that embrace AI are leaving their competition in the dust. They're seeing higher conversion rates, increased profits, and a level of efficiency that was unimaginable just a few years ago. But here's the best part. You don't need to be a tech genius to take advantage of this. There are incredible tools and resources available that make it easier than ever to integrate AI into your digital marketing. Let's talk about making some serious cash, shall we? Because I know you're not just here for the theory, you want actionable steps you can take to start seeing results. And that's what I love to deliver. Real, practical advice to help you succeed. So, let's dive into the hottest niche right now. The one that's exploding with opportunity, digital marketing and affiliate marketing within online education. That's right. People are hungry for knowledge. They're eager to learn new skills, especially skills that can help them make money online. And who can blame them? The traditional job market is changing, and more people are turning to the internet to create their own opportunities. They want to be their own boss, set their own hours, and have the freedom and flexibility that comes with being an entrepreneur. And that's where you come in. By tapping into this niche, you're not just riding a wave, you're riding a tsunami of demand. People are desperate for the information you can provide. They want to know how to build a website, how to run Facebook ads, how to create engaging content, and they're willing to pay for it. But here's the best part. You don't need to be an expert in all things digital marketing to start making money. You can leverage the power of affiliate marketing, which allows you to partner with established businesses and promote their products or services. Every time someone purchases that course through your link, you earn a commission. Chapter 4, the secret shortcut to online success. Done for you products. Okay, so you're probably thinking, Henry, this all sounds amazing, but creating my own digital marketing course from scratch? That sounds like a lot of work. And you know what? You're absolutely right. Creating a high-quality digital product takes time, effort, and a whole lot of expertise. But what if I told you there's a shortcut? A way to fast-track your success and start earning money almost immediately. It's the power of done-for-you products. Like, these are products that have already been created, tested, and proven to convert. All you have to do is start promoting our step-by-step instructions and start generating sales. Think about it. Instead of spending months, maybe even years, developing your own course, you could have a professionally designed, high-converting product ready to go in a matter of days. That means you can start generating revenue much faster, giving you the momentum and motivation to keep pushing forward. And the best part, you don't have to sacrifice quality for speed. There are some incredible done-for-you products out there that are packed with valuable information and resources. We're talking about comprehensive training courses, engaging ebooks and workbooks, proven sales funnels and email sequences, stunning website templates, and graphics. It's like having a team of experts working behind the scenes to create a business in a box for you. All you have to do is focus on getting it in front of the right people. Even with a done-for-you product, you can still make it your own. You can add your unique insights and experiences to the content. Create bonus materials that complement the main product. Offer personalized coaching or support to your customers. Chapter 5, multiply your income streams. Direct pay, recurring affiliate commissions, and leverage. All right, are you ready to talk about serious money-making potential? Because in this chapter, I'm going to reveal how you can multiply your income streams by leveraging both direct pay, affiliate commissions, and the power of leverage from other people's efforts. That's right, not one, but multiple ways to get paid. First, let's talk about direct pay. This is when you sell your own products or services directly to your audience. You set the price, you keep all the profits minus any expenses, and you have complete control over the customer experience. Now let's add another layer to this, recurring affiliate commissions. Remember those done-for-you products and software we talked about? Many of them come with lucrative affiliate programs that allow you to earn a commission for every sale you refer. So let's break down how this works in practice. You choose a fantastic done-for-you product and software that aligns with your niche and audience. You create valuable content that promotes the product and highlights its benefits. You include your unique affiliate link in your content, social media posts, and email marketing campaigns. When someone clicks on your link and makes a purchase, you earn a commission. It's like having a team of salespeople working for you 24/7, bringing in passive income while you focus on other aspects of your business. But here's where it gets really exciting. You can promote your own products alongside your affiliate offers, creating multiple streams of income from a single piece of content. Imagine this. You write a blog post about the benefits of AI Powered Marketing System. You promote an automated AI Powered System as an affiliate offer. Now let's take it a step further. When your customers become affiliates and promote the product, they earn a commission on their sales, but then you also earn some commissions on their sales. This is the power of leverage and creates a powerful network effect, allowing you to maximize your earnings with minimal effort on your part. Chapter 6. From Dreaming to Doing. The 2-hour challenge that will transform your Christmas and your 2025. Now, I've dropped a lot of knowledge bombs in this video, but here's the truth. None of it matters if you don't take action. You see, knowledge without action is just potential. It's like having a Lamborghini parked in your garage, but never taking it for a spin. So here's the challenge. Commit to investing at least 2 hours a day, from now until Christmas, to building your online business. That's it. Just 2 hours a day to focus on creating a brighter future for yourself and your loved ones. Now, I know what you're thinking. Henry, I'm busy. I have a job, a family, commitments, and I hear you. But here's the thing, we all have the same 24 hours in a day. It's about priorities. Are you willing to sacrifice a little bit of TV time, social media scrolling, or even sleep to create the life you've always wanted? Because I promise you, the rewards are well worth the effort. So how do you make the most of your 2 hours? Here are a few ideas. Hour 1, learning and implementation. Dive into that online course, research hot content trends, or work with AI to create content for trending subjects for your niche. Hour 2, content creation and promotion. Take content from AI and customize it, write a blog post, record a video, or engage with your audience on social media. The key is to be consistent. Show up every day, even if it's just for those 2 hours, and I guarantee you'll be amazed at the progress you make. Let's make this Christmas and the upcoming 2025 your best yet. So to wrap things up, understand why this is important for your present and future. Embrace digital marketing and AI as your path forward. Dive into the hottest niche with affiliate marketing and online education. Access a step-by-step course with done-for-you products and AI systems to start earning quickly. Leverage opportunities for direct pay and affiliate commissions. Take action now by dedicating at least 2 hours a day. And here's the best part. I'm offering you free access to a comprehensive training and a free AI powered marketing system to get you started immediately. Click the link in the description below to get instant access. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this valuable, like, share, and subscribe so you don't miss out on future content. Let's make this Christmas prosperous and kickstart a successful 2025 together. Drop a comment if you have any questions. I read every one of them.